breaking the wall of replacing organic solvents. Samaa Abdullah, Falling Walls Lab, Jeddah.
Thank you very much. Please all close your eyes and think about a world without global warming, without carbon emission. You can open your eyes. Right now, we have the major source of carbon emissions coming from pharmaceutical industries and food industry. At least 75% of the active ingredients used needs petrol-based solvents, organic solvents for these ingredients to be carried out, extraction, encapsulation of these ingredients to give it to our patients. Most of you should know that organic solvents should not be given to the patients, should be evaporated. The cost of this evaporation of these organic solvents, petrol-based solvents, at least for minimum size batch, is $20,000 minimum cost for one removal, in addition to the cost of the solvent, in addition to the cost of the characterization, quality control characterization. Moreover, environmentally, this evaporation is coming from these industries up to our air. 90% at least is coming from this industry of carbon emission. We should break the wall and introduce, gladly after 6 years of working, we have a patented matrix, bio-based matrix. We have it as a source of natural polymers. These natural polymers can encapsulate the active ingredients in high efficiency, as well as it can add to the safety profile. We can give it to the patient. We can keep it in the dosage form, as well as it has an immune boosting system to support 2 sustainable development goals. One of them is health and wellness, and the second, sustainable industry and cities. So let's stop imagining and start implementing. Thank you very much.